Dr. Walensky and Dr. Fauci in just a moment. First, I want to start with a brief update on our efforts to help states that are battling surging cases driven by the Delta variant, particularly those states that have also been hit by Hurricane Ida. First, our thoughts are with those who have been impacted by the hurricane. And we're leveraging our COVID-19 surge response to help in any way that we can. As part of our surge response effort, over 350 EMTs, doctors, nurses, and other healthcare personnel have been providing emergency medical care on the ground in the Gulf states of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. And since July, we've sent ventilators, therapeutics, and ambulances to support the strained healthcare systems in these states as they respond to Delta. Our personnel remained on the ground as Hurricane Ida made landfall and are mobilized in the aftermath of the storm, augmenting the strong efforts of hardworking local healthcare personnel. We are providing critical clinical care, conducting patient movement to relieve strained hospitals, and continuing to administer treatment for COVID-19 patients. At the same time, our whole-of-government effort to respond to help states with Delta outbreaks continues. In fact, to date, COVID-19 surge response teams are working with 18 states, pulling in personnel, resources, supplies, and expertise from across the federal government, including from HHS, CDC, FEMA, DOD, and the VA to address state-specific needs. We've deployed more than 700 personnel, surged critical supplies to health systems, expanded testing capacity, and importantly, expanded the use of life-saving therapeutics. In fact, in the month of August, we shipped more than 670,000 courses of therapeutic treatments. That's 6 times as many as we shipped in July. These therapeutics prevent hospitalization and save lives. Our message to all states, tribes, and territories is clear. We stand ready to help you in any way we can to respond to the Delta variant. As we respond to surges, we remain laser focused on getting more shots in arms, and we continue to build momentum. Back in mid-July, we were averaging 500,000 vaccinations per day. Today, we're averaging 900,000. That's an 80% increase in the number of shots we're getting into arms each and every day. Last week, we got over 6 million shots, the biggest weekly total since July 5th. Importantly, we've accelerated the pace of first shots. In August, we got over 14 million. That's almost 4 million more first shots in August compared to the prior month, July. We continue to push for more vaccination progress, including through vaccination requirements. The President first adopted vaccination requirements for federal workers last month. And now over 800 colleges and universities, over 200 healthcare employers, small and large businesses across the country, and dozens of state and local governments and school districts have stepped up to follow the President's lead. Tens of millions of Americans are now covered by vaccination requirements. And these requirements are already working to get more people vaccinated. In Washington State, the weekly vaccination rate jumped 34% after the state announced vaccination requirements for state employees, teachers, and school staff, healthcare workers, and colleges and universities. Businesses are seeing strong results. On August 3rd, when Arkansas-based Tyson Foods announced its employees would need to be vaccinated no later than November 1st, only 45% of its workforce had gotten a shot. Today, that number stands at 72%. That's a 60% increase in less than a month. Notably, the share of job postings that require vaccinations are up 90%, according to Indeed.com, a popular job search site. Bottom line, vaccination requirements work. They drive up vaccination rates. And we need more businesses and other employers, including healthcare systems, school districts, colleges and universities, to step up and do their part to help end the pandemic faster. We need more individuals to step up too. As people across the country prepare for Labor Day weekend, it's critical that being vaccinated is part of their pre-holiday checklist. Getting vaccinated is free. It's easy and convenient. It's safe and effective. And it's never, ever been more important. So please, if you are not fully vaccinated, don't put it off any longer. Visit vaccines.gov or text your zip code to 438-829. 438-829. That will enable you to find a site near you.